Hello guys, this is Jasmine, owner of PCSG and the City Goals eSchool, and today I will be showing you how to use Discord so that you know exactly how to use the City Goals eSchool. So let's begin. How it will work is that first I will go through a beginner's guide to Discord and then actually show you everything inside of Discord. So let's start with the beginner's guide. So we come here, wait for it to load, just enjoy the music. And we start off with, what is a server? So you guys know that City Goals eSchool is a server. So I'll explain in total what a server is. So a server is a place where you can talk, hang out, have fun, and for PCSG, study and teach. So a server looks like this, where you have your text channels, voice channels, inside of your text channels, and the members who can see the text channels. But I'm saying all these weird stuff. What do I mean exactly? Here it is. How to use text and voice channels. So text channels are these hashtags here. Text channels are separate spaces for talking over text. They keep conversations organized and give everyone plenty of room to talk. Then we have voice channels, which is the speaker icon here. Voice channels are where you can hang out over voice and video. There's no calling or ringing required. Just click on a voice channel to enter it. Now, to click on a voice channel, all you have to do is click the speaker icon, and just like Lil Wampus, you will join immediately. To click on a text channel, you just simply click the hashtag and then you will open up right above here the place to chat and talk and share videos, etc, etc. So now let's go into how to video chat. Now with video chat, it's the same thing. Just click the speaker voice channel to join the voice channel, but then you have to press a special icon to turn on your video. You click that to turn on your video. On desktop and on mobile, you click that to turn on your video. Now, with sharing your screen, same thing, just join the voice channel, but then you have to press another icon. On desktop, you press this to share your screen on desktop, whereas on mobile, you press this icon right here. So it's loading right here. You press this icon, I'll make it a bit bigger, and that icon is what you press to share your screen on mobile. Let's go back. Now, how to join and watch a stream or screen share. All you have to do is find the person who is streaming live, and you simply join the voice channel like normal, and then you join the stream by clicking on the stream. We will show that very soon as we go inside of the City Goals eSchool. You have your text channels, for instance, the CSEC e-rooms. There they are, your text channels. And then if we scroll down further to self-study 24/7, you have your voice channels, just as said in the beginner's guide. Great. So now how to use these text channels? So for instance, I'm going to go inside of meet and greet. Let's go back up to top. Like that. Okay. Just enjoy the music while you wait for it to load. Great, so it's loaded a bit. And I'm going to say, hi, my name is James and I am from Barbados. So then others would come in and they would say, welcome to the family, like so. There we go. Now, afterwards, we are going to go into the voice channels. Now let's go to the voice channels. Like so. And once I click, let's do an empty voice channel. Good. So now I do an empty voice channel. I go to Dual 32, like so. Welcome to your first voice channel. Control your voice settings, turn on your video, or start screen sharing here. Got it. allow your microphone. Now, to unmute, you simply click that button. I mute now so no one can hear me. I unmute so everyone can hear me. Or I click deafen, so now they can't hear me and I can't hear them. And let's just go back and unmute again, and it shows if they can hear you, your icon over here, your profile icon will be green. So now, in the beginner's guide, you have to turn on your video. So we're gonna do that by turning on our video. So we're gonna click here, and then the video should turn on. And we're gonna turn it off. And then afterwards, I will now show you how to share your screen. So we click here. Just enjoy the music while you wait. I'll go again. Actually, no, here it is. So you just click here and you share. Now you're sharing your screen. Like so. Now my screen is being shared. So now anyone who wants to watch my screen can. All I simply do to stop sharing my screen is to click here, and bam. Just like that, I've stopped sharing my screen. Now, let's leave the voice channel. And I'm now going to show you how to watch someone else's stream. So for this, I'm going to invite my business partner, Isaiah Carrington, to join the chat room at the bottom of the e-school, and he will share his screen and I will join it to show you exactly how to watch someone else's stream. So I'm going to go to chat room now, and now Isaiah is going to share his screen and I'm going to watch it. We're just waiting for Isaiah. Okay. So to watch his stream, all you do is click that icon there, watch stream, and bam. Now you're watching the stream. So as you wait for it to load, just enjoy the music. And good. Now his screen is being shared and you can see everything there. And that's it on the list. Now here are some extra tips for you for when you're using Discord. So let's start watching the stream. Good. Don't show me this again. And then we leave the voice channel. Disconnect. Great. So now that we've disconnected, I'm now going to show you how to change your status. So we come here, like that, where the green dot is, and that means online. You get all notifications. I don't mean to get all notifications as well, but you're like AFK, away from keyboard. Do not disturb means you get no notifications whatsoever. I use that for when I'm studying. Or invisible, which means when I click invisible, I disappear. Or my personal favorite, set a custom status. Now all I do is I click here. I choose the emoji I want. Let's use 100. And say, yay, because I'm excited. That's how I feel. I'm going to clear it after 1 hour. It will disappear after 1 hour. And I want to be idle. Save. And that is now my new status. Just like that. If you want to invite your friends, just click up here and then click invite people. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to help students succeed.